Hi students, this is Roja Mani, HOD, Department of Computer Science. Today I would like to explain about history of Java and features of Java. What are the objectives of Java programming language? Being a mobile, simple and secure programming language was the main objective behind the creation of the Java programming language. Second objective, the Java language is easy to learn and its coding style is easy to read and write. Next one, this topic deals with objects and classes in Java. History of Java. Java is general purpose, high level and object oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystem of USA in 1991. It was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Chris Worth, Mike Sheldon, and Ed Frank. Originally, it was designed for the development of software for consumer electronic devices like TV, VCRs, toasters, etc. Its original name was Vogue. In 1995, Sun changed the name to Java and modified the language to take advantage of World Wide Web. The Java team, including Patrick Norton, wanted to develop a language which is simple, portable, and highly reliable. The team modeled their new language Java on C and C++ by removing a number of features that were considered a source of problems. Thus, they made really simple, portable, reliable, and powerful language. Why Java named Oak? Oak is symbol of strength and chosen as a national tree of many countries like USA, France, Germany, Romans, etc. In 1995, Oak was renamed as Java because it was already a trademark by Oak Technology. Java versions. Many Java versions have been released till now. The current stable release of Java is Standard Edition 10. There are many editions: JDK Alpha and Beta, JDK 1.0 developed in 1996, JDK 1.1 developed in 1997, J2SE 1.2 developed in 1998, J2SE 1.3 developed in 2000 May, J2SE 1.4 developed in February 2002, J2SE 5.0 developed in 2004, J2SE 7, J2SE 8, 9, 10, etc. developed up to 2017 and 18. Features of Java. This is the flowchart of Java. What are the features of Java? The primary objective of Java programming language creation was to make it portable, simple, and secure programming language. Apart from this, there are also some excellent features which play an important role in the popularity of this language. A list of most important features of Java language is simple, object oriented, portable, platform independent, secured, robust, architecture neural, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, distributed. First one, simple. Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features, for example, explicit pointers, operator overloading, etc. Java does not have pointer concept. Java is designed to easy to learn if you understand the basic concept of oops. Next one, secure. With Java secure feature, it enables to develop virus-free, tamper-free systems. Authentication techniques are based on public key encryption. All the code is converted in bytecode after compilation, which is not readable by human. And Java does not use an explicit pointer and run the programs inside the sandbox to prevent any activities from untrusted sources. Platform independent. Java programs are portable. They can be easily moved from one system to another system anywhere and anytime. It is not tied to any particular hardware or operating system. Hence, it is known as platform independent language. Unlike other programming languages such as C, C++, etc., which are compiled and platform specific machines, Java is guaranteed to be write once, run anywhere language. On compilation, Java program is compiled into bytecode. This bytecode is platform dependent and can be run on any machine. Robust language. Java is robust language. It provides many safeguards in order to ensure reliable code. It has strict compile time and runtime checking for data type. It is designed as a garbage collection language. It also has exception handling concept which captures errors and removes the risks. The absence of pointers ensures that the programs cannot access memory locations without authorization. Portable. Java language is platform independent, which means that any application written on one platform can be easily ported to another platform. Java programs can execute in any environment, Linux, Windows, Mac, etc., for which there is a Java runtime system. That really means there is no implementation dependent feature. Architectural neutral. Java is a architectural neutral language. Java application runs the same bytecodes regardless of any environment. To enable a Java application to execute anywhere on the network, the compiler generates an architecture neutral object file format. Java compiler generates an architecture neutral object file format which makes the compiled code executable on many processors with the presence of Java runtime system. Next one, Java is a dynamic language. Java is dynamic language. Java is capable of dynamically linking the new class libraries, methods, and objects. Java program supports functions written in other languages such as C and C++. These functions are known as native methods. Native methods are linked dynamically at runtime. Java is a interpreted language. Generally, any computer language may be either compiled or interpreted. Java is both compiled and interpreted language. It involves two-stage system. Java compiler translates source code into bytecode instructions. Bytecode instructions are not machine instructions. Hence, Java interpreter generates machine code from bytecode that can be directly executed by the machine. Java is a high performance language. Java performance is impressive for an interpreted language, mainly due to the use of intermediate bytecode. According to Sun Microsystem, Java speed is comparative to the native C and C++. Java language is known to faster than other traditional interpreted programming languages, as Java bytecode is generally close to the native code. Multi-threaded. Java is a multi-threaded language. Multi-threaded means handling multiple tasks simultaneously. Java supports multi-threaded programming. This means that we need not wait for the application to finish one task before beginning another. This feature greatly improves the interactive performance of graphics application. Distributed. Java application can open and access remote objects on internet. Multiple programs can communicate from client system to the server system. Next one, object oriented. Java is true object oriented language. All program code and data reside in objects and classes. Java comes with an extensive set of classes arranged in packages that we can use in our programs by inheritance. Already we discussed in previous video. Object oriented features: object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, types of inheritance, abstraction, and encapsulation. Summary. Finally, we learned about Java history and features like simple, portable, compiled, interpreted language, robust language, distributed language, multi-threaded language, etc. Thank you, students. If anyone have doubts, please contact me.